Hi everyone, I'm Cody Tesla with MarineMax Cross Lake. We're sitting here on the 2026 Barletta Lusso 23 UC. Love this back lounger, lots of versatility. That's where I'd like to be with the captain. But if you're not lounging, you've also got your regular seat. Moving into the captain's helm, something great about this for 2026, they updated this dash with the dual SIMRAD screens. You've got a ton of functionality with that, not to mention additional storage in the dash, keeping your wallet, your phone out of the sunshine. They also offer you the air. It's not air conditioned, but it does blow cool air to you on those super hot lake days. Moving forward, up to the bow, I love that you've got your anchor storage, your Doggie DockView door that they can see through, big armrest, tons of storage, garbage off to the side right here, and as always on every Barletta, your dog dish, something very popular with these boats, and for good reasoning, getting your table off to the side. Again, love this. If you've got little kids in a carrier, you can tuck them underneath the shade. Your dog is gonna love that as well, even with the bimini up. Sometimes that sun's hitting you from the side, gives you tons of shade. Come check it out at MarineMax Cross Lake.